Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question in the topic of survey statistics. Let's dive into it and read. A university professor conducted a study to measure the effectiveness of online lectures. He selected 50 students from one of his classes to participate. The results showed that students who attend online lectures performed better on exams. What is the largest group to which the study results can be generalized? Alright, so in many times these type of questions can be done wrong because it is very confusing if you don't understand the context. So first of all, you want to understand the context. So what is happening here? There's a university professor who wants to measure the effectiveness of online lectures, and he selected specifically 50 students from his classes, from one of his classes, whatever. And there were results that students who attend online lectures perform better on exams. So the question, now we understand the context. What is the question? The question is the largest group to which the study results can be generalized. Okay. Now, what does generalized mean and what does largest group mean? Now, if someone or a question asks you for largest group and be generalized, that means that it should be a broader choice, right? Not the 50 students, because we know the 50 students were tested, and students who are performing better when they attend online lectures, right? So let's read the choices and then I'll explain further. A says the 50 students in the study. As I said, 50, we know that the 50 students were better on the exams who when they attended online lectures, right? But the question is the largest group. So it should be more than 50. It should be broad, right? So we can eliminate A in this context. B says all students in the professor's class. Now, the 50 students in one of his classes represent that one class, right? So that is a broader choice, more than 50 students, a larger group, and this can be generalized because it represents the professor's class. Alright, I'm feeling pretty good on B. C says all students in the university. Now that is too broad, like we don't know that, right? Since there are other professors and other things, so that there's too less evidence to know that. So C is eliminated, and D says all students who attend online lectures. That is pretty tricky, to be honest. First of all, I thought it was D when I read this, but it is not. This is also too broad and too less evidence. So all students who attend online lectures, that can be said in the whole country. Like, we cannot compare other universities, right, or other schools. So that is too broad. So the largest group is all students in the professor's class. Since this study were 50 students since he selected 50 students from one of his classes, so they represent his class, right? So if the 50 students were better on the exams because of the online lectures, then it is likely that all students from his class is going to be better if they attend one of his classes. Online lectures, sorry about that. So the choice B is the correct answer. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.